pivot 38.90, support 69, 55, 41, 26, 15, resistance up here at 3,900, 08, 19, 28, and 44. All right, we mentioned yesterday that any 7 handle in the inflation number was going to be positive for the market. Who knew it was going to be so positive, all right? So let's be careful here. We have some volatility that's come quickly into the market, so your stops are definitely going to be a little wider, at least 5 points, 4 to 5 points at least, as we come up here to our even area. So keep that in mind if you're trading. If it's a little bit too much as far as volatility is concerned, then just be a little bit patient and wait for the morning rotation to happen, and then we'll see what happens here. We came up here to our even area, trying to work off of that here a little bit. As you can see, we are going to get our 4 or 5 points. There's no doubt about it with this volatility. And we came right there to 99.5 and then came right off. So a nice way to start the morning here. And a nice rotation here off of that. All right, nice rotation there against our even area. Hopefully you were able to jump in there. Obviously, you're going to have to scale in a little bit differently with the volatility. Definitely a 1.5 on each end, at least minimally. You're going to get rotations here. So just a matter of understanding the volatility and then trading it according to your risk tolerance. And if it's too much volatility, then just settle, we'll wait for it to settle down here a little bit as we quickly rotate off here off of our even area. Obviously, minimally a point above and below is you're not going to get run over. But again, obviously, if you did a 1 lot and you got it at even, you didn't get filled, I get it. It happens. So you just have to wait for the next opportunity here. I would not do it this time around. So again, if anybody has any questions, feel free to ask in the chat. Repeat the levels again. Our pivot this morning is 38.90, 38.90. Resistance above at 39 even, which we already touched. And then above that 08, 19, 28, and then 44. Support on the downside at 69, 55, 41, 26, and 15. Obviously, the inflation number was less than expected. Again, it was at 7.7. They were obviously expecting, they were expecting 7.9. So the fact that it was, this was a beat to the downside. Look at what happened to the bond market too, right? Look at they're going. Look what's happening there. Whoever said we don't follow the bond market and we only do inverse trade, not happening these days. But you got to be careful here. Again, if you did take the level above, yeah, that thinking is a problem sometimes. Not that it was the wrong thing to do. You were just being a little bit cautious. So you have to, don't blame yourself too much. I mean, this is, if you just had even and you thought that it was going to run up there, and with the volatility, I don't blame you. And you're trying to be a little bit cautious. So that's all right. So you just look for the next opportunity. That's all. All right, we come back down here again, 69. I don't really have. I spread the levels a little bit here. obviously for reasons because of the volatility. You have to be very patient today. You got to pick your spots. You can see um, how it's moving around a little bit. So you just got to be just be patient. You will get opportunities. But in either case, just make sure you keep your stop in place. It was a nice rotation there against the even area. And you're not, of course, we're not the only ones that just had even and didn't get filled. So, all right. Maybe I should have put 99. I'm sorry. And I agree with you. I would have thought the way it ran up there that it would definitely have. I wouldn't have thought for a second we weren't going to get even or even a one. But this is trading, right? This is what it is. We can't. We try to take thinking out of the equation here. That's what we try to do because the market has its own brain, and it doesn't talk to us. I wish it did, but it doesn't. So we have to sometimes work around it. But an amazing little rally here today. Obviously, there's a big gap, right, between where we closed yesterday and today, and we opened up. So that's keep that in the back of your mind. So it's moving so fast. I'm trying to get a number 27, 56, 37, 56, 55 area. So someone there. So that is where that's where we closed, and now we open up here. So obviously there's the gap, right? Now, I think the 69 fills the would fill us on from yesterday's high gap till this morning. So we'll see what it does when it comes down here. Again, whatever we do, just keep your stops in place. Yeah, Mike said that whatever, if the market had talked to us, it would lie to us. We'll be contrarians all the time. 123 handle in the bond market, pretty amazing stuff, right? And we were 117, 18. I probably would have to say it's probably nicely below 4% this morning on the 10-year. Let's see here. We're slowly kind of drifting down here a little bit again. You have to keep your stops in place. We're not going to let these things run us over. You're going to have opportunities. Nice trade there against Steven. That was a beautiful little trade there. I'm sorry that some of you did not get filled. Let's see, with inflation being well, first of all, let's see if there's any numbers coming out besides unemployment number. I mean, the inflation number. CPI number, that came out already, and that's about it. So that's not so bad. Obviously, that's enough to keep us busy and to create this volatility. There is Fed speak at 12:30. And then later on this afternoon after the market closes. So Fed speak at 10:30. And that's about the only thing that's there this morning. Is the market again very, very whippy, very, very volatile. Keep that in mind. Be patient and wait for opportunities. Markets are moving around. You will get opportunities.